everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some goulash. And what you'll need is 2 pounds of ground beef, which is 32 ounces, 1 jar of pasta sauce, 2 cups of elbow noodles, and then a pot with some water in it. And then if you want, you can add some seasonings to it too. Alright, and the first step that we need to do is we need to turn the stove on to medium heat, and then we need to boil the water until... Alright, and then while the water is boiling, we will need an extra pot, and we're going to put the 2 pounds of the ground beef in here, and we're going to put the stove on to medium. And then we need to have this meat fried up and chopped up with like this meat chomper, or you could even use a spatula too. Oh yeah, and then with the meat you fry it until it's all brown and there's no pink showing. Alright, and once the water is boiling, we're going to add 2 cups of the elbow noodles. And we are going to leave the noodles into boiled water until they are all soft enough. Alright, and when the meat is done frying up, it should look something like this. And remember that it should be all brown, that there shouldn't be any pink. And we are going to drain the grease from that. And once the noodles are soft, we are going to drain the water. And the next step that we need to do after the water is drained, so we need to put the meat into here. And then we are going to add the pasta sauce. Okay. Alright, and then we are going to mix all of that together. And then with this, you want to get mixed up really good. Alright, and once these ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, and then I'm going to add some seasonings. And the seasonings are parsley flakes and oregano leaves. And then you don't have to add these seasonings if you don't want to. And you can really add any type of seasonings that you want. And then you can also add the amount that you want to. Now we're just gonna add these parsley flakes. Alright, and I'm gonna mix all of that together.